Mastering the Sara Stedy, a step-by-step guide to utilizing a Sara Stedy lift to transfer from the bed to the chair. Today, I'll be showing you how to use the Sara Stedy lift, a valuable tool designed to assist with safely transferring your loved one who has ALS. The Sara Stedy enhances safety and comfort for both the caregiver and the patient. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, let's familiarize ourselves with the Sara Stedy. It's a mobile transfer aid that supports semi-weight-bearing patients during transfers. It's equipped with a padded seat and knee support, ensuring comfort for your loved one during the transfer. To begin, ensure your loved one is secure on the edge of the bed and apply a gait belt for safety. Use the large center foot pedal to narrow the legs of the Sara Stedy. This will allow the Sara Stedy to get as far under the bed as needed. Push the Sara Stedy towards your loved one until the knee supports of the device are touching their knees. Their feet should be flat on the foot plates of the device. Assist with getting their feet into position if needed. Next, lock the brakes on the front wheels. Instruct your loved one to hold on to the crossbar in front of them. Count to 3 together, rocking forward, and assist them to stand by holding onto the gait belt. Continue to hold on to them while you flip down the seating pads. Depending on their strength and balance, they may either sit on the pads or remain standing. Once they are steady, unlock the front wheels and begin moving the lift towards the destination. Make sure they continue to hold onto the crossbar throughout the transfer. Use the center lever to widen the legs of the Sara Stedy. This will help the device safely fit around the chair. Once the Sara Stedy is in proper position in front of the chair, lock the brakes. If your loved one is sitting on the pads, assist them to stand by holding onto the gait belt. Continue to hold onto the gait belt and flip the seating pads back out of the way. Instruct your loved one to reach back for the chair while you slowly assist them to sit. Lastly, make sure they are comfortably seated and properly positioned in the chair or wheelchair. Their feet should be on the foot plates or flat on the floor and their back against the chair. Unlock the wheels of the Sara Stedy and remove it out of the way. It's essential throughout this process to maintain constant communication with your loved one. Ask for their feedback, how they're feeling, and if they're comfortable. Your confidence and reassurance can make a big difference in how safe and secure they feel during the transfer. Using a Sara Stedy lift can be intimidating at first, but with practice, transfers using a Sara Stedy can be performed smoothly, enhancing mobility and confidence for both caregivers and loved ones. Mastering Sara Stedy techniques not only ensures safety, but also promotes dignity and comfort for those we care for. Learn more about this and other techniques on knowals.com. Thank you for watching.